Okay, the first step you need to do is grease and line one of these dishes or similar. Doesn't have to be the exact same one, a round dish with greaseproof paper. Now grease the actual dish as well as the paper so the paper will stick to the dish. Crush up 10 dark chocolate digestive biscuits. Not too fine, not into a sawdust texture, because you want a few little small pieces left. So this is the texture you're looking for. You have a few dark pieces of biscuit in your base. Next, in some melted butter or margarine, throw in the crumbs. Just mix those together. Then pour in all the biscuit base. Tease it out to the edges of the dish. Gently at first. You don't want to get it up the sides of the dish that you're going to press this into. Once that's all evenly, it's best to use your hands then just to sort of press it out to the edges. So de-pip and juice 3 or 4 whole lemons. Now the best thing about this video is there is absolutely no weigh-in whatsoever. You don't need a pair of scales. All you need is a pot of mascarpone cheese. Just chuck that in. A can of sweetened condensed milk. Make sure it is sweetened condensed milk. Make sure, because you will. That is obviously your sweetener. Sounds obvious, but. Then mix all that around with a spoon, as beats all together, as it's all smooth. Or you can use an electric mixer. Add the lemon juice to your mix and just blend that in together. Whip some double cream up until thick, not too thick. Now this is the thickness you're kind of looking at, so it's just keeping to your utensils, just like that. If it's too thick, you're gonna have lumps in the mix. I think it's just going to be hard to mix together once you've added it. Spoon in your whipped cream. I might add most of it. I'll leave a little bit because I do have a shallow dish, so if you have a deep dish, deeper than mine, then use the whole lot of the cream and then gently fold that in. I'll spoon that mixture onto your biscuit base. Just tease it out to the sides, just gently, right to the edges. And with a small palette knife, just carefully smooth the top over as even as you can, right into the edges. Keep smoothing it over till you can see no lines. A good steady hand for this. To decorate, place a lemon in the center of your dish and mark the shape with a knife around the edges. And then mark your centerpiece. Slightly take off the lemon like so. And carefully gouge out some of the mix take out about, say, a couple of millimeters depth of the mix from that area. Fill your lemon shape with lemon curd. Just pipe that into the space that you've just taken out. Just generously fill that up. With some green food colouring for the leaves, just put a couple of leafy shapes on top of that there. And finish with a spiral of lemon curd. That is all there is to it. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you soon.